What is going on, guys? We are going to be polishing up a alternator that I have had lately. What's going on, guys? We are going to polish up a alternator that I've had laying around. Let's try this for the third time. So welcome back to the channel. We are going to be polishing up and getting nice and clean an alternator that I've had laying around. It's been sitting to the side. I thought it was an issue on my truck. The wife had an issue on Foolish, the green or the teal B2200 that's on the channel. We are going to be refurbishing it. You can see how nasty it looks right now, all oxidized and corroded. I'm going to be trying to polish it all up, and this is how quick you can do it. I'm going to be using a die grinder with a wire wheel on it and a polishing pad on another die grinder. I got a red, a green, and a blue, so we're going to try both. I'm just going to try to clean it up as best as possible. It's a good alternator, so I mean 130 amps is a hell of a lot better than the stock 150. Don't mind the mess. The garage is kind of cluttered right now, but let's get into it and see how good we can make it. Now the first thing I'm going to be using on the alternator is I'm going to use this wire wheel. When you spin this, it kind of fans open a little bit, but I also got these other ones that I'm going to use. I don't know how harsh this is going to be on the aluminum, but I'm just going to try it real quick and see what happens. Do what I can with what I got. I would say that it cleaned it up pretty damn good so far, but I'm gonna hit it with the polishing pad, get into the little nooks and crannies with this. So let's get at it. I would say that this is working pretty damn good from what it looked like before. You can already see there's like somewhat of a shine on it now. Looking way better. I don't know if this is the proper way to do this or not, but this is how I'm doing it. I'm gonna hit it with some polish too and probably try to like clean it up even more. I mean, I guess that's what I'm doing, is polishing it up, but I think it looks 10 times better already. I'll blow it all out before I put it in the truck. I'm going to try to clean all this black out, maybe with some cleaner, but not too much because I'm not trying to get it wet. So yeah, this is working hella good all the way around. It's looking good. Already got most of that oxidation off. So look, this is what it looks like. Close up, this is what it did look like on this end. Look how nasty that looks. I still got to get it all this bottom side, but I think it's coming out great. Sheesh. Now on this second go around, I'm just gonna right here on this bottom piece that I just showed you, I'm just gonna skip the wire wheel and go straight to the polish. Oh yeah, that works. Not gonna show the label on this because it's not sponsored, but this stuff is really good. Polish. You see it separated. Just give her a little shake. Sorry about the noise, the compressor is on in the background. I think it's coming out well, guys. A little bit of this stuff goes a long way. Bring you in real quick. I got it. Oh damn! I got it sitting on it right there. See, it's all foggy. This stuff goes a long way too. Let it tack up. Rub it in. Take a nice dry part of the rag. There we go. Now the compressor's off. A little bit of shine to it. Whoa. Looks a hell of a lot better than what it did before we started. I think it'll work. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It wasn't that long, but if you stuck around this far, I appreciate it. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to our channel. If you want to see more content, hit that notification bell. We're going to be trying to do something new. If you guys are a subscriber and you want me to feature your truck on the YouTube, you can email me at jbsgarage2021@gmail.com. A few pictures of your ride and maybe a little bit of info, and I would be more than happy to give you a shout out if you would like. So with that being said, we're gonna probably open it up to, I don't know, I'll probably do like maybe 3 trucks, maybe 4, I don't know, we'll just see what happens. Maybe try something new. Again, I'm trying to bring you guys content. I'm gonna try to keep up on a weekly basis. I don't know if we're gonna have much going on this week coming up, but happy Monday to you all. Yesterday was the Super Bowl. Don't really care about that. As you can see on my story, I went cruising and stuff. It was pretty fun. Nice day out. It was a little windy, but other than that, it was fine. Let's see. We got a 73 square body supposed to be here in a few days. We'll put some of that stuff on the channel. That one's not going to be like a how-to or anything. It's just going to be a video of me doing what I do on the side. Some air ride maintenance on vehicles. So with that being said, just remember, guys, dreams are only fantasy if you're not willing to put in the work. Again, if you haven't already, please like, subscribe to the channel, hit that like button. Stay tuned.